Let's go ahead and make a Bahama Mama cocktail. So I have a highball glass, ice, we have 4 ounces orange juice, 2 ounces pineapple juice. I'm gonna stir those a little bit. Then I have 1 ounce Malibu rum, 1 ounce Bacardi, 1 ounce spiced rum, Captain Morgan is my favorite. Stir that again. And then I'm gonna add a little grenadine. Let's see if I can do this. It's about a 1/2 ounce of grenadine, and it's gonna go to the bottom. And then go ahead and put my straw in, and there we go. Bahama Mama cocktail. We do have the full recipe on our blog.